Dr. Bhardwaj, I have been in the media for the past many years, and this is the first time that I have come across a Vastu consultant who is so learned and so much into Vastu instruments. So, can you please explain to us what sort of technology you are using?
Okay, normally the Vastu consultants in India or even in the world, they are simply dependent upon the bookish knowledge. They used to explain everything with the help of superstitious things like Shubh, Ashubh, Devi, Devta, Raman, Rakshas, bad omens, good omens, everything. They don't have any logical explanation. But so far as the modern Vastu is concerned and the Vastu, technical Vastu concerned, in which I am dealing, this is very much authentic. Authentic in the sense of this is scientific. And to make it scientific, I am using certain instruments. Like you are looking at this Leica antenna, this is called Cosmotele sensor, worldwide used by few Vastu consultants. And the other sensor you are looking in my hand, this is a gauge meter, and it is used to check the parallel vibrations. The third meter is also very important and very useful to check the negative and positive both vibrations available in the world. This can check all type of energies available in the house. The third one is very sensitive compass, which is not being used by any Vastu consultants. This is being used by some forces like Navy, like Air Force, and the third next instrument is also parallel vibration meter, and make out whether the site is positive or negative. If there is any negativity in the earth or in the surrounding, we can treat it without demolition, without any more expenses. Well, they are very reasonable and very it's not costly at all to cure any Vastu defect without demolition. But if any Vastu consultant is not using any instrument, so whatever he is telling, there is some question mark on the authenticity, on the logical background of all these things. So this is the main thing which makes me different from all Vastu consultants working on Vastu all over the world. This is the major difference, and this is the cause for which I am very much appreciated all over the world in almost many countries. I have visited many countries, and the number of clients is more than 39,000. This is not a small thing. This is big thing. Thank you very much.